Yo, what's going on? Yak fishing with Manny family. We out here at Braunig Lake this morning, about to go catch him. Let's get to it. And guess what? I brought a guest with me. Don't know if y'all can see him. He's over there though. Boom, get the light on him. That's my homie Edgar. We about to go catch him. Let's go do it. We'll be back on once we hooked up. Double up, triple up, don't matter. We about to go get it. Let's go. All right, guys, we're hooked up. Man, the winds are crazy out here right now. Feels like a little guy. I don't know though. The wind's picked up super bad. Oh. The what? Yeah, he's on. Oh fuck, I'm tangled on my other line. Nah. He's probably like a 21, 22 maybe. I'm all tangled up. Oh, I'm all tangled up. I'm all tangled up. My kayak's about to sink. How much water got in here? There he is, guys. There he is. He's all tangled up though.
Come on.
You're on?
Let's go. Let's go.
He's on over there. He's on over there.
Come on, baby.
Oh, fuck, the wind's crazy. Boy, you on my line or what?
I don't know, but I'm hooked.
Boy, I think you're on my line.
Why on your fish?
Boy!
Oh my god, that bitch is big!
Fuck!
Go help me, you need to help me. Go.
Okay, I'm trying.
Look at this bitch!
What? He's hooked up on a big one. He's hooked up. Oh shit! That's a big one, bro! I'm coming. Hold on, bro. I don't know what I'm on either. I'm here.
Get your fucking fish, you're never ready. Look at this!
Go on, give me some light. Oh, he did.
Here, let me give you some light.
Come back. This situation is so fucked. Try to come on this. Oh, boy, I don't know what the fuck's happening.
Are you hooked?
No, I'm not.
Oh, you're stuck.
I'm stuck, but I don't know what the fuck.
Try it. Oh shit.
Alright guys, so we're gonna end the video here. Man, we just made it off the water. It was crazy out there, not gonna lie. But we did end up catching 2. Broke off on about like 4 lures. I don't know, man. I don't know what the deal was, but yeah, we ended up catching 2. I got a little baby one, nothing big or anything. I think this one was a 22 or something like that. But I want y'all to check Edgar's out, man. That dude caught a huge one. Last shoulder. Woo! Shoo! Woo!
29.
That's a 29 right there, baby. That's crazy. He beat my PB. I'm kind of mad about that, but it's all right. And until next time, guys, we'll see y'all. Let's get in here. Peace out. All right, guys, we're gonna get the release on camera. There he goes. That was a big one, dude. All right, let's get this guy out. Little baby, I think he's probably dead, but we'll figure it out. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. He didn't die.
God damn.
Until next time.
Not a little.